Welcome. Thank you for visiting. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated with the latest tips, ideas, and inspiration, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on notifications. Join our community and be part of the journey. Thank you. Today, we're focusing on transforming small offices with smart furniture arrangements that maximize space and boost productivity. In compact workspaces, every inch counts. So choosing the right furniture placement is essential. Start by assessing your space. Measure the area and identify focal points. Opt for multifunctional furniture such as foldable desks or wall-mounted shelves that can be easily tucked away when not in use. Consider a corner workstation to utilize otherwise wasted space efficiently. Arranging furniture in a way that promotes open movement prevents clutter and creates a more inviting environment. Remember, a well-organized small office not only enhances work efficiency, but also reduces stress. Keep your workspace minimalistic but functional, ensuring that each piece serves a purpose. This approach will help you create a comfortable, productive environment within limited space. Next, focus on the placement of your essential furniture pieces. Position your desk near a window if possible, to maximize natural light, which is proven to improve mood and productivity. Use compact desks or wall-mounted workstations to save floor space. Place storage units behind or beside your desk to keep supplies within reach without cluttering your workspace. Incorporate ergonomic chairs that provide comfort without taking up too much room. When arranging your furniture, maintain clear pathways for easy movement. This not only makes the office more functional but also safer. Consider floating furniture arrangements where desks and storage are placed away from walls, creating an open feel. Small offices benefit greatly from vertical storage solutions like wall-mounted cabinets or floating shelves, freeing up valuable floor space while keeping essentials organized. Lighting plays a crucial role in small office spaces. Proper placement of lighting fixtures can make a small room feel larger and more inviting. Use a combination of task lighting, such as adjustable desk lamps, and ambient lighting, like wall sconces or ceiling lights. Position your desk to take advantage of natural light, but avoid glare on screens. When arranging furniture, avoid blocking windows with large cabinets or shelves. Instead, opt for open shelving that allows light to flow freely. Mirrors can also be strategically placed to reflect light and create an illusion of space. Keep clutter out of sight by using stylish storage options, which can double as decor elements. Well-lit, organized spaces appear larger and more welcoming, encouraging focus and productivity. Creating designated zones within your small office can significantly improve workflow. Allocate specific areas for different tasks, such as a dedicated workspace, a meeting corner, and a storage zone. Use rugs or furniture placement to visually separate these zones without physical barriers, which can make the space feel cramped. For example, a small round table with comfortable chairs can serve as a meeting area, while a sleek desk remains your primary workspace. Incorporate vertical storage like wall-mounted boards or pegboards for organizing documents, supplies, and even inspirational decor. This zoning approach helps keep your workspace organized and reduces distractions, enabling you to switch tasks seamlessly. Remember, a thoughtfully arranged small office fosters focus and efficiency, making every inch work in your favor. Personalization is key to making your small office a comfortable and inspiring space. Add decor elements that reflect your personality, such as artwork or plants, without overcrowding. Use compact furniture with stylish finishes to enhance aesthetics. Incorporate wall-mounted planters or small potted plants to bring a touch of nature indoors. which can boost mood and creativity. Keep decor minimal but meaningful. Framed photos, motivational quotes, or a colorful clock can add character without cluttering the space. Use storage baskets or decorative boxes to organize supplies neatly. Personal touches make the office feel less sterile and more inviting, which can increase your motivation and overall well-being. Remember, a well-decorated small office can feel spacious and inspiring, even in tight quarters. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us. Your support means everything. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. Join our community and be part of our exciting journey. Thanks again.